Ready to turn that Mastercard gift card into the Apple gadget of your dreams? Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to register your gift card. This is super important. Look at the back of your card for the website address, usually something like midgetcard.com or a similar variation. Head over there using your computer or phone. You'll be asked to enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, which is usually on the back. Fill out all the required information accurately. This step links the card to your name and billing address, making it usable for online purchases. Now, let's hit up the Apple Store online. Browse their awesome selection of iPhones, iPads, AirPods, or whatever your heart desires, and add your item to the cart. Once you're at the checkout, select credit card as your payment method. That's right. Treat your Mastercard gift card just like a regular credit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code just like you did when registering. This is crucial. Make sure the billing address you enter matches the address you registered on the gift card website. If they don't match, the transaction will likely be declined. Prefer shopping in person? No problem. You can use your registered Mastercard gift card at any Apple retail store. Just present it at checkout, and they'll process it like a debit or credit card. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're all set to use your Mastercard gift card to snag some awesome Apple goodies. Enjoy your new Apple product. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.